Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a couple of glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in here. Now, I always recommend that y'all sign in on the website to clip your new digital coupons to your accounts on Sundays. That way they will all show up all at once. Versus if you use the app, you kind of have to keep refreshing the app. And it is possible that you could miss clipping some coupons to your account. So I always use the website, and that's what I always recommend to you guys. So let's go ahead and jump in here. First up, we have a DG reward that I want to tell you all about. We have Clover Valley Waters. So when you spend $15 on Clover Valley Waters, you're going to earn $3.50 towards your next purchase of Clover Valley Water. So that's a new one. I think that's a really good DG reward. I hadn't seen that one before, so I'm glad they gave us that. So make sure that y'all are enrolled in all of your DG rewards. Now, before we get into these coupons, I do want to go ahead and mention I did upload a video earlier today with a run deal and a lot of new, awesome, amazing coupon matchups with freebies, overages. We've got so much overage, guys. It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. So, I uploaded that video earlier today. Today is the last day of the clearance event, so definitely go back and check that out. If you have those coupons and you have those products at your store, you may want to go out and take advantage of that overage while you can. Also, just going through, we're about to go through all of the new coupons, and just to keep in mind, I'm going to be giving you guys regular priced items. So anything, any clearance coupon matchups are in the video earlier today that I posted. Or I found a few more, so I'm going to post those in the community tab once I get this video uploaded. So I didn't want to kind of crisscross those videos, and I think it would kind of be confusing. So if you're looking for clearance matchups, check out my video from earlier today, and then also check back with the community tab, okay? All right, let's go ahead and jump in here, shall we? So we have a one-off one for the Colgate Toothpaste. We have the Max Fresh toothpaste that's working with this coupon. Those are $2.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. We have 50 cents off one for the Lysol products. The lowest priced item that you can pick up with this coupon is the toilet bowl cleaner. Those are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. The next one up would be the Lysol antibacterial sprays. Those are priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.75. Moving on down, we have $1.50 off one for the Airwick Scented Oil Starter Kits. Those are $3.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. You may have a higher value coupon. We still have that $1.99 off one for the Airwick Warmers. So that's the only one I think, you might want to be aware of. Next up, we have a 2 off one for the Nivea Lotions. These are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Maybelline. Now here was a very impressive coupon when I was putting together those clearance matchups this morning. I was very happy that this coupon popped up. So we have a 2 off one for the Maybelline New York products. We have the face powders and the mascaras. They're priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. But if you want any Maybelline products, go back and check out that video and run to your DG and pick some up because they're dirt cheap right now. So next up, we have one off one for the Covergirl Lip Products. I'm pretty sure that Dollar General has kind of phased those out. Y'all might be able to find some in your clearance section, but I think those have been in the clearance section now for like years, honestly. So if you can find them today, they're priced at $3 today only. After today, they'll be back up to $6. But I haven't seen any in the clearance section for a while. All right. Moving on, we have $1 off 2 for the Eddie's ice creams. These are priced at $3.50, so pick up 2, use the coupon. You're going to pay $6 for 2. We have 2 off 1 for the CoverGirl eye products. We have the eyeliners. They're priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have 4 off 1 for the Chic Intuition razors or refills. This does work on the Skintimate women's razors 4 count, the throwaway ones, disposable. They're priced at $6, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2. And if you want to pick up the Chic Intuition razors, those are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. I do want to go ahead and mention this does work on the Skintimate Bloom razors, just in case anyone's wondering. That is free plus overage today only. Alright, next up we have 1 off 1 for the Nivea body wash. So if you want to pick up the women's body wash, those are priced at $5. After the coupon you're going to pay $3. The men's is already in clearance. Y'all already know about that deal. Alright, next up 1 off 2 for the Huggies Wipes. So these are $2.10. Pick up 2. Use the coupon. You're going to pay $3.20 for 2. We have 2 off 1 for the Covergirl face products. Those are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And there's a lot that you can choose from: foundation, powders, etc. Alright guys, next up we have a 2 off 1 for the Eucerin lotions. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have this digital coupon for when you purchase 4 of the Body Armor drinks. You're going to pay $4, and those are pretty good if anybody was wondering. We have 3 off 1 for the Purex liquid laundry detergent. So those are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have Lysol. We have L'Oreal Paris. Vino body wash. Those are not attaching to anything as of right now. You may be able to find them in the clearance section though. We have buy 3 get 1 free on the little frozen dinners there. Those are $1 each. So pick up 4. You're going to pay $3. We have Tums. We have Sensodyne and Pro Enamel. We're just going to skip over some of these. They're just not, they're not great coupons, but I mean, you know, coupons, savings are savings. I'm not going to complain. We have Mott's 1 off 2. That does work on the apple sauce or the juices. We have Advil, Clairol. There's a lot of hair color coupons this week. So if y'all go out to the clearance event today, double check because those could mean free plus overage. We have Parodontax, Garnier Nutrice hair color, Polygrip, that was included in the clearance event. We have Clairol hair color. We have Parodontax, Flonase, Nexium, Polydent. Again, go ahead and clip all of these to your accounts. I'm trying to get through this video and not take up a whole bunch of your time. We'll go over the best deals for this week in the good deals and glitchless video. So, right here we have 2 off 1 for the Aveeno face products. Those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have 1 off 1 for the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $9. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8. We have Preparation H, Advil, Respiratory, Gas X Energizer, Suavitel, 2 off 1. So these are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. And those that is included in the instant savings. So the same instant savings deal that we had last week, that has rolled over and is still going on this week, okay? Next up, we have this 3 off 1 for the IB Guard products. This isn't attaching to anything, but I wanted to go ahead and mention this in case y'all see this while you're out clearance shopping, because this product, it looks just like that picture that you see on the coupon there. It has recently pennied out. I think that was, you know, it's been within the last month or so. So if you could find one of those, use that coupon. You're going to get $2.99 in overage. So be on the lookout for those, guys. We have Resolve, Brawny. We have 1 off 1 for the Finish products. I think those are priced at $7 or $7.50. Now, we do have a higher value coupon, so I did not clip this one to my account. We have $1.50 off of 1. So I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now. There's some more Garnier hair color. We have Band-Aid and Neosporin products. So we have the 60 count assorted Band-Aids. Those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. We have 2 off 1 for the Poise products. Those are priced at $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. We have 2 off 1 for the extra laundry detergent. This is for the 315 ounce jugs. Those are priced at $10.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. We have $2.50 off 1 for the Huggies diapers. Those are $9.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.45. We have Good Nights. We have 1 off 1 for the Dove Men Plus Care. Now, I didn't mean to clip this one to my account because I'm pretty sure that we have higher value coupons in today's insert coupons. But I was scrolling through trying to get through the video and accidentally clipped it. So this coupon is only working on 1 cent of the Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash. I think it's the Eucalyptus and Birchwood. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. But if you picked up inserts, I would not clip this one to your account. I use those insert coupons first. All right, we've got Depends, and we have a few DG store coupons. Go ahead and clip those to your accounts. Not a huge savings, but if you need that product, it's going to be good. All right, so hopefully y'all saw that video that I posted earlier this morning. But if you don't get insert coupons and you can't do that deal, go ahead and clip this DG store coupon to your account, because it's buy one, get one free on the Dial or Tone body washes. So if you don't get that coupon in your area, you can still pick up 2 of the Dial body washes, men's or women's. They're $4 each. Pick up 2, use this coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. Or you can pick up the Tone body washes. Those are priced at $3. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. So still a great deal. Alright guys, next up we have $2.75 off one for the Kingsford Charcoal. So if you want to pick up the 8-pound bags, they're priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.75. However, this coupon is glitching, so if you want to pick up these 6.2-pound bags, those are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. So not a bad deal there at all, especially it's beginning to get, spring, summertime, barbecue, all of that good stuff. So, of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25. Next up, everybody take a big deep breath and hold on to your chairs. I don't want anybody falling out their chairs, okay? Okay, hold on real tight, y'all. We have a 2 off 1 for the Gain products. This is for like the 24 count flings, all of that good stuff. These used to be $6.95. They are now $7.50. So, everybody okay? $7.50, $7.50. It hurts me to say it, but we have a $2 coupon. So after that coupon is applied, we're going to pay $5.50. I know, y'all. It really stinks. Next up, 50 cents off one for the Cascade. The 14 count, they're priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Now this one is it's weird. It's weird. It might be a good sign though. So we have Tide products, 24 to 25 load, 37-ounce bottles, or the Tide Pods 12 to 16 count. Y'all know, or most of you I'm sure know, that these used to be priced at $6.95. Or no, I'm sorry, $4.95. $4.95. Okay, stay with me here. $4.95. They are now up to $5.50. But they did give us a higher value coupon. We used to get a 1-off 1 for those for these products, 1-off 1, but they upped it. They gave us 2 off 1. So that's some good news right there, guys. So if you use this coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. So not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. So there might be a little bright side coming around to this whole inflation deal. All right, moving on. We have Downy and Bounce products. They're priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Aussie products. So these start out at $3. Pick up 2. Use the coupon. You're going to pay $4 for 2. And this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Aussie travel size bottles. Now, those little travel sizes are included in clearance right now. So if you go to the store today and pick up 2 of those, they're going to be 65 cents. Use this coupon. That is going to make it free, plus give you 70 cents in overage. If you find those or pick them up later on in the week, they're going to be $1.30 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay 60 cents for 2. So go ahead and clip that one to your account. We have some Neutrogena coupons here. So we have 1 off 1 for the sun care products. We have 2 off 1 for the Neutrogena cleansers. So if you want to pick up the face wash, those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2 with that 2 off 1. We have a 1 off 1 for the Neutrogena wipes. If you want to pick up the 2-pack, they're priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. Here we have a couple of the sunscreen products, and we have a 3 off 1 for the Pantene Nutrient Blends. Now, I know this product's going to be hard to find, but this is glitching and it is working on the trial and travel sizes. Now, when I looked these up today, they are included in the clearance event. And so if you go out today and you can find these are priced at $1.13. So pick up 1. You only need to find 1. Use that coupon. That's going to make it free, plus give you $1.87 in overage. Now, if y'all can find them later on in the week, if you happen to be at a different area or a different store, these are going to be priced at $2.25. So after the coupon, it's going to make it free, plus give you some overage, 25 cents in overage. So we have a total of 3 glitches for this week. Kingsford, we have the Aussie travel size, and the Pantene Nutrients travel size. So not any great glitches yet, but we do have that awesome deal on the Dial and Tone body washes. So we'll just have to wait and see. I'm going to keep on looking for some deals, and of course I'll update y'all if I find anything else. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but before you all go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. It's that big red subscribe button right down below this video. Go ahead and hit that for me. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up. It is a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.